As a landlord in Salt Lake City, maintaining your rental property isn't just about upkeep. It's about making smart, sustainable choices. Eco-friendly maintenance helps protect the environment, reduces costs, and attracts responsible tenants who value green living. By taking small steps, you can make a big difference for both your property and the planet. Switching to LED lighting, installing smart thermostats, and upgrading to energy-efficient appliances can significantly lower energy bills. Smart thermostats help regulate heating and cooling, while modern appliances use less power, reducing long-term costs and making your property more appealing to eco-conscious renters. In Utah's dry climate, water conservation is crucial. Xeriscaping with drought-resistant plants reduces water use without sacrificing curb appeal. Installing rainwater collection systems and using low-flow toilets and shower heads can also make a significant impact. Every drop saved means lower utility bills and a greener future. When making repairs or renovations, choose sustainable materials like reclaimed wood, non-toxic paint, and energy-efficient insulation. These options reduce environmental impact while improving air quality and tenant satisfaction. Investing in eco-friendly materials today leads to a healthier and more sustainable rental property. Managing an eco-friendly rental property doesn't have to be overwhelming. NV Property Management specializes in sustainable property maintenance, from energy-efficient upgrades to eco-conscious landscaping. Let us help you reduce costs, stay compliant, and attract quality tenants who care about the environment. Contact us today and start making a difference, one green property at a time.